Are you a freelancer, contractor, or independent professional? Your reputation is everything. With MyProRating, you own a personal review portal that's entirely yours. No employer dashboards, no forwarding reviews to someone else's email. Just a clean, professional space that showcases what your clients really think about your work. Every 5-star review you collect travels with you. Whether you're a plumber, designer, consultant, or tradesperson, your reputation is portable. It's not tied to a company. It's not subject to corporate policies. It's yours. Our starter plan is completely free. Collect up to 10 verified reviews, display your rating, reply to feedback, all with 0 credit card required. And when you're ready to scale, unlimited reviews, analytics, QR codes, and more, upgrade to professional for just $9 a month. Your work speaks for itself. Let MyProRating make sure the world hears it. Create your free portal today. Your reputation starts now.